one of the hallmarks of leadership is leaders know what they can do and what they can't do. And leaders love to surround themselves with managers who are very, very competent doing the things they are not. I think the reason why Vivek Ramaswamy did not become president is because he may not have all of the leadership qualities of Donald Trump, but he has the great qualities of a good lieutenant. So Vivek Ramaswamy is the guy who might be well suited to be the leader as the governor of Ohio, but maybe not quite ready for president yet. But he's younger than Donald Trump. That's not to say that Vivek Ramaswamy might be political timber, presidential timber in the future. Elon Musk is a great CEO for Tesla, but he may not have the personal style to be a great presidential candidate. So I think it just goes to show you how difficult it is to be the biggest leader, to have the biggest leadership position in the world, okay? To be president, you have to have it all working for you. And so I think he has assembled some really good managers to accomplish the mechanics and the implementation of his vision, but he needed to create the vision. And so, you know, in some ways, it's very basic, right? You know, it's the carrot and the stick, right? Do you want to use the carrot or the stick? And the stick doesn't work anymore. The carrot is what has to be done. And if you refuse to do the carrot, you're going to kind of reach your Peter principle. You're only going to go as far as you can. So maybe a guy like Ron DeSantis, he's going to top out at the governor of Florida because he doesn't have whatever those intangibles that Donald Trump has. And so there's nothing wrong with Ron DeSantis. He's a fine leader. He's a great governor. He may run for president in the future, but it just goes to show you the difference between Trump and DeSantis. The same way you have LeBron James being a step above a lot of great players. There are a lot of all-star players, but we're not talking about everything they do the way we talk about LeBron James. And in some ways, you know, leadership is kind of like pornography, right? I can't define it, but I know it when I see it. And so we know Trump has something, and everyone's writing about it and talking about it, but he's the guy who won. Well, thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you heard, please give us a like. If you'd like to see more of these sessions, please subscribe. And if you would like to see the full video, just click on this link right here.